We are checking out of Cabana Bay and we are headed to Disney's Polynesian Village Resort for 5 nights of fun and adventure. Woo! It's from Cabana Bay, or the Universal Resort area, to Disney's Polynesian Resort, which is essentially right there at Magic Kingdom. It's 15 minutes. That's not bad at all.
Look, there they are. There they are.
There's Mickey!
What's that over there?
I think that's like the, what is that called? The spot. Eye. That's the Orlando Eye, and some kind of weird swing that I think you said you wanted to go on. That's called the Spot or something. What is that whole thing called? Icon Park or something? And anyway, I'm not getting on any of those because I don't like swings that are low to the ground. I can't imagine that swing. Oh my god. No, thank you. Can't remember if we ever discussed the Toothsome Chocolate Emporium small shop with candy. You should go there. The truffles are so good. My favorite was the chocolate champagne, raspberry champagne, chocolate truffle. They were pretty good. We might have to stop and get some on the way home.
The other end of the bungalows.
Ducks.
See if anybody else was here. Now you just wander around, take your time, enjoy the view.
Oh, nice. It has a bed too. Oh, look at that. It's like wardrobe.
Lots of room. Now this bungalow will sleep 8 plus an infant.
Okay.
Pretty cool, huh?
Wow. You like this place? Look at that bathroom.
It's pretty incredible. Yeah, it hasn't wandered off.
Oh, he's going back to the room. He forgot something and.
Okay. You're staying here, and
Yeah.
So it's close for him. He'll need to wave at me when he wants back in.
I think we're just gonna meet him in the lobby.
Okay.
This is more my thing, the tours.
Yeah, I understand.
So 2 bathrooms?
2 showers.
Oh, well, this is like a separate.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I like this. I'm certain that nobody comes in here and says, I don't like this.
No, everybody likes it. I kind of prefer the cabins at Wilderness Lodge slightly more, but this has a better view. You can't see the fireworks from over there.
Yeah, but this is more my style.
Yeah.
But I do like the cabins, but no, this is more...
Yeah, I agree with you.
So oh. Okay.
Single bed and this oval pull down. So
And this pulls down.
yeah, so you got 3 more. 3, 6.
Got you. Yeah, yeah. So it's kind of like 3 separate living areas,
Yeah.
kind of.
Thinking about buying it?
Oh, honey, you just use your points. Well, I think you can use cash too, right? You can use...
And you can't. Anybody can rent this bungalow. Disney requires all the resorts, all the Disney vacation resorts to rent 10% of the rooms to hotel guests. The reason they do that is to put you in a different category. It's actually a higher, more expensive category, but that's what it is.
Puts the person renting it in with cash?
Yeah, it was, et cetera, et cetera.
So that just gives more benefits.
Yeah, it's more benefit and a higher level of service is required.
I really like
Are
this.
we gonna get it?
Well, honey, this is... It's not about getting it. Like, you would book it.
It's another Halloween here in the fabulous 40s. Everything is better than ever now, and we've got some amazing new wonders around the house to prove it. For instance, our refrigerator holds more food and ice cubes. And thanks to our automatic dishwasher, I don't have to dry the dishes anymore after supper. Gives Rover and me more time to enjoy our evening stroll together.
What?
Hi, buddy. Hi, you're pretty. I don't have any popcorn. Hi. I don't. I'm sorry. I don't have any popcorn. You want popcorn now? I don't have any. Sorry. Adventureland? Seriously? Did you just ask that question?
It's not like we go like 3 times.
Shh.